Okay, just a very quick recording of how to change the setting of your caller ID so you can make it private or show your number. So first things first, we need to go into the dialer. We need to tap on the menu button in the top right, go to settings, and keep in mind we are using Android 5.1 Cyanogenmod on a dual SIM phone. We go into calling accounts and we can say SIM card settings, SIM card 1. We will select SIM card 1, and then under additional settings we have our caller ID options, and from here we can change it to from network default, which is normally to show the number, but we can hide it or we can specify to show it. And that's it. That's all you need to know.